Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting the frame and gathering essential tools for this project. Choose a 1/10 scale chassis or cut plywood to 300 mm by 150 mm for a compact base. Use a 12V drill, Phillips screwdriver, 3 mm hex wrench, and 1/4-inch drill bit to prepare mounting holes accurately. Lay out components and mark mounting points with a pencil. Double-check alignment before drilling. Keep protective goggles on while cutting or drilling to stay safe. Next, install the drive motor, speed controller, battery, and receiver into the chassis. Choose a 540 brushed motor paired with a 25 AESC and a 7.4V LiPo battery for reliable power. Mount the steering servo at the front and connect it to the receiver on channel 1. Wire the motor to the ESC and the ESC to the battery using an XD60 connector and secure heat shrink over solder joints. Bind the 2.4 GHz transmitter to the receiver and test throttle and steering responses. Finish assembly by mounting wheels, adjusting suspension, and performing safety checks before driving. Attach 65 mm diameter wheels using 12 mm hex hubs and secure each wheel with a lock nut. Install shock absorbers and set suspension travel to 15 mm for predictable handling on rough surfaces. Place foam inserts inside tires to improve traction and damping. Verify steering trim and make sure wheels center at neutral stick position. Run a slow speed test on flat ground and recheck all fasteners before higher speed runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.